Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Friday, August 26, 2022. The time is 8:50. I'm getting a little early start on it. So let's see. Made a nice push down. I just missed it. Damn, I just missed it. Let's see if it does a pullback into it and then re-engage down. That would be your shorts covering right now. Let's see if the sellers are still in control of it. It's got to reverse quick. Buyers might have bought at that level. I don't think so, because it's been pretty weak. This is the second strongest pullback I've seen. Here's one that was stronger. Here's one that was. But it came to an area and the seller still took it. So let's see if they take it again. See how it closes. This is what you call a head fake. Very deep pullback head fake. See where that level is, right there. See if it bounces off it. If it gets past it, which it has, right about here, it's going up. Yep, it crossed the trend line.
Order filled. Target filled.
I took that on my own. Because I like it when it broke the trend. I have my own ATM strategy right there. So I'm going to let this come back.
Stop filled.
I have an ATM strategy set right there. Because it's in between where the software picks up. See that level? Look at the left. Always look left. See this level right here? See how it reacts through it. It's got as far as here. Right up to the top of that candle. See how it's painting green? So, we have to be a little patient. Looks like the buyers are buying it. The seller stepped out of the way for a while. Because that is a very, very deep pullback. That is a trend changing right there. See, now the buyers are looking at taking profit. Yep. So they sold. See if we get something here. I think they got enough gas to do it. See how they come in. See, it's going to depend on how this one closes. If the software takes it. 33, 32, 33, 32. Oh, it's teetering right between that 30. 32, 32s. Whole row of 32s. They got gobbled up. Yeah, it's going to go. They're going to take it up. 34s. 35s. There's a whole bunch of
Order
35s.
filled.
So if the 36s go quick, it's going to go right up to 41. '39s. Yep, here comes 41. More than enough gas to get up there. 42s. 41s.
Order canceled.
It's teetering right there.
Order canceled.
I'm going to take that right now because it's teetering right on that 40. I don't think it's... Yeah, it's going to go up. I should have just waited. Damn it, I locked in 2,900 though. Yeah, I guess I was right. It just didn't bite on all them 40s. Now that is an area of utmost range. Here up. Look at how it bounced. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's nice. See how the software took it? Something's going crazy right now.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Done. I am done, people. See how you have to have your finger on the trigger? Because something just moved the news right now. The software caught it perfectly. And I got the hell out. Let's look at the strategy performance for that little play. 8,000. 8,062 minus 367. And that equals 7,695. It was 100% in that stuff. There's no way any human being could have caught that much movement there, but the software did. 100% for that. I mean, this is a perfect example of your automation taking over. There's no way I could have caught that. No way at all. All right. Thank you for watching. I will keep making the videos.